again, everybody. So here you can see this hat has gotten to 7 inches. So you can continue the pattern until you get to 7 inches. Now I'm on the round, chain 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and then join with a slip stitch. So you just single crochet in every single stitch around and then join. Okay, now we are ready to do the band. So for the band, the first row is chain 1 half double crochet in each single crochet around, join with slip stitch to first half double crochet. So with a half double crochet, you yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert in, yarn over, pull through all 3. It is a little bit of a tricky stitch, but once you get the hang of it, it will go a lot smoother. Okay, this is round 2 of the band. Chain 1 HDCBP in each stitch around. You're doing the back post using the half double crochet stitch. So you yarn over, insert the hook sideways through the last half double crochet, and then you just make a half double crochet like normal, yarn over, pull through all 3. So you're making a post, but this time it's with a half double crochet. So you just continue that the whole way around, and you can see it's creating a nice border. Now on the pattern, the next 2 rows, well, it gives, it says to do 2 rounds of the half double crochet post. I just do 1, and then it says the next round after this is going to be an increase. I'll show you that. I don't do that. Okay, so here you can see, guys, what I'm talking about. It says round 20th is going to be an increase row. I don't do the increase row. I just go straight to the binding. So you can see up here, working left to right instead of from right to left as usual. Work 1 reverse single crochet in each single crochet around. Join with slip stitch to first reverse single crochet, fasten off. Okay, now we're getting ready to do the binding. First of all, you chain 1, and this is a very awkward stitch, so take your time. But you go from, normally we go the other direction, but we're going towards the right. You insert the hook in the stitch to the right, and then you yarn over, pull through all 2. You can see that this is making a really nice binding. This binding works really great for baskets or maybe even a rug. If you were making a rug, it just has that really nice finished look that you don't normally see in crochet garments. And this is actually a tricky stitch for me to do because I'm so used to going the other direction. But take your time, and you're almost done with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more crochet tutorials, and comment what do you guys want to see more of. Thank you so much. Bye.